Today in the wood-fired oven, Sarah and I are going to roast these beautiful small potatoes. We're going to use some rosemary and sage, garlic, and then we'll season it with some salt, some cayenne pepper flakes, and some pepper. But first of all, we're going to parboil the potatoes. Water is boiling and the potatoes going. While the potatoes are boiling, we're going to prepare our herbs. And rosemary is always a winner. And potatoes with some of this sage are also absolutely wonderful. As for the garlic, we will put that in whole, in camicia, with the shirt on. And that's always, we consider that savory candy. The mezzaluna has done a great job of mincing. And now to this, we're gonna add just a few hot pepper flakes, salt, and some of this pepper. Potatoes are partially boiled. They're still hard in the center. And we're just gonna, especially the bigger ones, we're gonna cut in half and then put all our herbs and olive oil on them. We're gonna put some olive oil on them. And we have a little bit of broth as well that we're gonna put on there. Some beef broth. And then our herbs. We're gonna toss it with our hands, and these beauties are going into the oven. There, almost forgot. These little guys need to go in there as well. And boy, are they gonna be good. I love this pan right here by Pentole Agnelli. It's an Italian company and they work great in these ovens. But anyways, we already have something else inside the oven, but we'll place the potatoes in as well to roast and let the oven do its magic. Our potatoes are finally done and ready to be pulled out and served. Look at how gorgeous they look. Here is our beautiful contorno di patate, a beautiful side dish of roasted potatoes. I'm gonna pick this one right here and dip it in some of this good sauce. And look at this amazing potato. I'm gonna be the first one to taste it. So good. Buon appetito!